so amushe muniaba musumfo nana ama owusia enie na mesinkonya seya na ye ensema esi wo man mu de dika ena me de ebesomo ewo ye fide kese yi eso enu to jebrepa nenya otwan honhom na etie ensem no ebi ebusuafo efida eye honorable Kennedy Ejapo wo sinkonya ewo the six show na 2 ebeka ensem efa ye Prophet Nigel Gaisie ehunu ne ho nsem intimate koda ya dabi wo bia ne di wo ka fa papa yo omomu ne no anya te se enkita wodie pen no wo bia so ya no wo bible nti we fi ha to confirm the story say honorable Kennedy Ejapo wo de ebetu ja e de efa no hom na ebra honorable kasa no wo boya bo say papa no Prophet Nigel Gaisie no woni celebrities bi anya ekita wudie ono mu akompaso akodi mpaso agro ama wo bobo ya kosi se enyum tuni bi so popular blibia echem no ni benya problem no sa enyum tuni no so no odne efa sa ekwan no so ema nam so nti onyum tuni no de ne babo ti betrete ne set mo anfa ne sika manana se wan solve the issue between ono a ebeya nsempi tu honorable ese asem no to say no Gana for do na twomani ediko sign eye abayu a woto nwuma ne din ede Mzbel esa emebia echem ni tweet ni Instagram post bia wode betu ja anenia no na wode kasa tia Prophet Nigel Gaisie no enu to Gana for conclude say na ebeba ne say eye Mzbel ene Prophet Nigel no wo munya eye nkita wode bi wo so efa ye kwan bi so compass kodi mpato agro na agreement na nko ye etina ye ma Mzbel eba appointing ebe sa nyama na wo ye na no ensem no beto ja blog start say some stories efa ensem no Mzbel na mu ba appointing ebe clarify say anya son asem ni setie oni na anhia mu ewo mpamu bia okoya kuka say biom so no onim honorable be onya information free ono honorable nkasa bia ye won chete ne nsem che honorable chese won chete ne nsem enche honorable so ye enu ti honorable den de munyi se che no Mzbel no ne problem na no ne Prophet Nigel Gaisie wono o ma solve ma atia koda kra enu ti onu de oni prophet ni any problem dem na so na still na Gana for person mu ensem no emu e mo se ba pontim piem ebe ka se problem na one Prophet Nigel Gaisie one say wo mu fake prophecy ananka prophecy no echi no enka akotwa bi ebeba na fa na so prophecy no say no mu fake no amu chire tesamu sikonya mu chire mu se be koso no enya sa ene koso ewo asori fi hodom ensem ni edane ye emata say ewra baby born ya no Mzbel no won pese ebe wra ho enu na ye ebufuo eriba wo mu mienu entemate so sha say wo twete no ewo social media na so still na Gana force da bi sa ensem no wo mu so mu a enye ye da because say papa no Prophet Nigel Gaisie no ema de ema send de wo ye bi pa wo ba bia o de na ebesi aso ni man kondo no de wo de wachi ebega from wo ya wo bi kra no ase true no e wo na chi ama obi ehun na woman the report to betu jano ko for ekika ye ama celebrities bia omo agoke me kra eno so ba bontin na ye hu se eye na Romeo oye ayiko show ewo Accra FM no ono so de ebe mu be kire se wono ne girlfriend na wona Romeo ne girlfriend na wo susu ye se eye Prophet Nigel Gaisie na da for pastor and spiritual father nti o de record chia no ema ebe eche no Prophet Nigel Gaisie na ne girlfriend have affair sa konyem ne kra ka ma to say na Romeo ye very disappointed ewo mu and they no eba and no kote koda e crampo ema another radio presenter and din edina na efifa our happy FM so the nsem ebe to just say wono so ne girlfriend on na date a chat say na ka just bosum mienu pe na nka oma walk down the aisle to say our require so answer Emma what the girl yi Prophet Nigel Gaisie na sorry demo first day me call all night wa mabiem second day me call all night wa mabiem after 3 all night na ni suban asisa ni boyfriend na efifa no ene ne kasa no asate mani chick na say o dan dan ni e de chenu ewe ye no obehwe ye na Prophet Nigel Gaisie ena ne girlfriend no akoti ato ni domu atese nam so e man changing the attitude about ono na we enankofo atwe Mzbel say umbra out clean with the issue I call so our Prophet Nigel Gaisie on an team and son at say Gana for you won't say answer the bejana because I say no wabobo bonchen sa se wo bo apempem no de wo man pempem no wa bonchen chen sa mata se Ghana for no still now we are having doubts in our mind and until when am so I'm a Mzbel I granted another interview so beba out clean open with the real issue e course so e wo ono ene prophet Nigel Gaisie in omunmienu entem na wo ba bonte no kire mu se prophet Nigel Gaisie no enye ne eno hia no onim na chepa onim ni kwampo secondary school days na oyene junior e was secondary school na honom ene onim no efi na omo we school wie ya te se abrabo no to omo bo be bi omo befa bia no omo sa be di enhwemu biem na omo di enhwemu no wo be very close omo ye nnamfofo pa na wo be no pa wo ayonkofo mu nantimu ebo mu ni mu no hu se papa no do se wo de nyamidi ene nam so ye nyami nipa nyamidi fo ye na medjuma nanso ni suban pa de na enkyere baku se wo ye nyami adjuma e wo no kwa because hu no se onu hu ni se from Mzbel no akata na asem okan so hu ni se prophet Nigel Gaisie no ebra no nam no na hu na dafo femu no hu ni se onu prophet Nigel Gaisie no oye man of men onye man of God or a man of men onu Mzbel onji Yesu ndi onji na nkupo ndi eno de asem we abetu da nebusa for ye ko e video na wo church ensem that what really happened between onu and prophet Nigel Gaisie omo entim
we become close to him because see he has this thing tagged to him as an NDC person. I'm NDC. So one day he just called me and said, "Oh, I like you. I used to be."
How did he say it?
He called.
Hello, Mzbel. I'm sure I'm
No, not that dramatic. He's really cool, actually. He's really like he's normal. So he called. He wanted to be my friend because he realized that we attended the same school and I'm his senior. So he refers to me as a senior. So we became friends and we talk all the time and we don't talk religion or pastoral stuff or Bible stuff. We just talk normal dating.
Friends, like friendship.
Yeah, but then after a while, the friendship became some way very horrible. Yeah. Oh, it became horrible. Horrible. Like he's not a nice person.
No, like you have to explain. You know what I'm saying?
No, I think it's resolved the issue.
You're a woman. You're a woman. There are so many other women out there watching that. Sometimes when you speak up on these experiences, you encourage others to
everybody needs to experience something and advise themselves. Because what I've noticed over the years...
But that will be fair to younger people who don't have...
Yeah, but they don't listen. People need to make their own mistakes and then make their own corrections. So I'm not going to be here and say, oh, he did this to me, so make sure you don't go there. If they want to go there, they'll go there anyway. So I had a bad experience and I managed to get justice and I have moved on. So don't go places where, because if you don't have a voice like I have, you will not get justice. I took him on social media and that's why I was able to have justice. But otherwise,
I'm sure you've seen social media, Japan and co.
And people were trying to drag me in, but I'm like, me and this dude, we are done. So I've moved on. If he has problems with other people, I don't want to get involved. Like,
what's with you and men of God, my sister?
We're not men of God, we're men of men.
All right, that's okay. But were you at any point in your life where you felt that I was so down, I needed God to come in for me, and you found them as a solution to your problems? But they ended up disappointing you?
Yeah, back in when I was pregnant and I started going to church, I thought like that is where all the solutions to my problems were. I thought, okay, I'm at the right place, I'm at peace. And for some reason, I was at peace because in my mind, I'm at the right place. But then it wasn't the right place. It was...
I understand.
So messed up.
I wish we had an hour more, man.
I
told you that anytime she's here...
Sena me kind of and no Mzbel ede ato wa church and semnia we be in semnia ni so sena me very tight or me very close omo nkita ho dey personal relationship wo mutem indirectly what part said the Ghana for near drain the day Jesus no eno an course so e wo muntem na no ene ma ne hu ni suban ehu ni su enam so ma ne ba bonte e ma ne tret se wonim se ofinya me on ka ne kware o ni papa ni enu ti Mzbel ka ne sa na ebusa for emom o ka no was that dear from Ghana for say will be biara especially young ladies are abano woman ye pa woman ye especially si woman ben ranti almost so many yankopon nyuma enokwari mu no woman nyuma men of men say no use one in language no say omo pese omo be no don this credit prophet Nigel Gaisie say man nya sorry biem but so be ya sorry a emma ombeko na sorry am be ben ni anu wo mu hwe yie na se Mzbel wo see papa yi woni ni hwe na afa de wo de futu oba say emma mo be ben no wo mu hwe ni yie no onye man of God a man of men na no ebusafo mo ha Mzbel dia na woka e de a chain asema ye de ato no so anyway bi enu so finally waka ne pay na say so na won say other way wine na my correct some of the comments say Ghana for Eddie abetu dra efa eye ensem way ehum we if we tell ma say this girl she's just enjoying the hype and the fame going in all around about the matter when the truth of the fact is that she is also a victim of the man or trying to drink or no say Mzbel ade no assembly ya kan vie sisu pi say na course ka ni ndi wasema na wo den when I say they will enjoy attention Ghana for them say about the account asem bi omti wo enjoy ente no so wo de na mu agi fame da bi ehun hia ebe ya choke ka asem no na emu ewo mu ne fa mo wan hwe grandpa eye akwankyere bi o magye ewo bebi ena na mo so amom ne emma dodo na ye keka no have ya fenti se ka mbo bi o mu a usi di pain na wo ka na mwa no ebi den aso so enti Mzbel kan kreno entempa no so we so efi Linda or same well I am not shocked she the men of God are the ones the supposed men of God are the ones to be blamed because they allowed such a woman like this to profane the name of God one also actually na say abayo we sama kan aheni ya pa no de on fa so bodu do na emfa ma no ombo Mzbel so bobia because nyame nkofo na nyame din da omo so esese komuni no kwari manyankopon omo na omama kwan ama abayo we twe nyame din ewo fom like wo mo ye de sese na say the father say wo mo ye ewo adwuma ni mu a enka we Mzbel ono so ne wan a wo do tre ne nsa de a che we na fi nyankopon era we na efi nyankopon no wan enfa po no gina ewo sa ensem we etu wo mo na wo mama kwan Ophelia so abekire ne de ewo ha say na ne de odabo saying Prophet Nigel Gaisie has so many issues, so many conflicting issues that his credibility should not be mistaken. Or no so no or say and some everybody ba efa Prophet Nigel Gaisie no is so conflicting. E ma ba bonti abedi dance e me ma so di one dance won kwa wo ye nyame nipa ben e wo say Jesus Christ of temptation ye kan sem go no so e bi kra da so aka say Jesus Christ be wi ase kro o ware wo ye no girlfriends now so ne de no ye ka kra en go si aga because proving you but wo de no so conflicted because a man ni bi aba pontin e me ma no be so o girlfriends e ji o mo so e di one dance e won kwa wo de ne de te saying and chiremu na Ghana for ente ase Petra so edini de about saying I pray that God in this due season eradicates all of them from the midst, sanctify his sanctuary so that we can have the peace of worshiping him in truth and in spirit. Petra Kasapa will say one of the bomb fire say every way na kupon momodia wo munya wo munyu mu fi obako ye yi omoto bako wo de ba ni abo wato nchen onyi mu asafo mu onyi efi bia abemu bia enyi obi a nsi nchen na ne die wo mu no wo mu tibi nyina na wo mu nsom no e wo no kware ene tene yo emu enu tebu so for ha ena me de comments no ebesi James wa aba pointin abeken de na wo je e fa hu for wa tin channel etuja I want to my GH comment section na ebiem so no video we shema do for obi bia no so ehwe bi subscribe be so subscribe because too much GH there dey no kre dey ekoso edimu dey say wunhu no eno e dey si wunkonya e dey chechem nti subscribe na mia batem no so say na baby e be upload e videos bia no obenya notification no e wo phone so ebiem so no follow yen e wo Instagram page at @tumagh_. Me din Edna ama owusua. That's a name you better say shape makramu.
Oniadafo ahaye GH too much and a uhwe Malope and a kase also for Malope me hwe baby a me ko baby a too much GH. Why na mo be video na to. Why na me subscribe. Come home, yam korean sem power. Me that's my crowd.